here at 7-Eleven. I'm with Chomar. Bumili kasi siya ng Yossi. What's that?
Gusto mo to?
What's that? How much?
70.
How many pieces?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, roughly 8.
Okay. 30?
No, just 17.
17 only. Okay.
Probably can buy. 70.
Sarap.
Usual sa naman yung pork.
Yeah. Hi guys, so it's our last break for today's shift and we're planning to have a quick photo shoot here outside the office.
Yeah. So watch for it, guys.
Yun lang. So I just got home here. Ito talaga, sorry. So talagang taga may kawayan kasi ko. So I usually go home every off ko. So yung off ko kasi is Saturday, Sunday. Nagsisimula siya ng Saturday morning ng 8:30 up to Monday evening. Okay, so malapit na mag low bat yung camera ko. Right now, I am already uploading yung first vlog ko last Monday. So for now, it has, I don't know, alam ko kasi matagal talaga mag-upload sa YouTube. So I think I'm gonna end my vlog for today. So see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye! Hi guys, so it's Sunday night na and I already uploaded 4 vlogs in my channel. So the first one is English or Filipino. The second one is can't pay my internet bill. The third one is in Chinatown, Manila, and the fourth one is
primer available. So, yun nga, pagkagaling namin ng, kasi nagsimba kami. So, nagsimba kami from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And then, lumabas-labas na kami ng kasunod. And then, nakauwi ako dito kami sa bahay ng quarter to 8. Tapos, I tried to check my Facebook account. And yet, yung, alam mo yung, pag walang internet, yung biglang, yung previous news feed mo pala, yung makikita mo, hindi siya nag-update. So, ganun nga. And then, I tried YouTube. Wala din. So, tinignan ko yung nireset ko yung wifi namin, pero hindi pa rin siya gumana. And then, chinek ko yung dial tone ng landline namin and wala. Tapos pagkatapos nun, ay tumawag ako sa PLDT customer service. Grabe, nakakapagod. I think it took me 17 minutes bago ko nakausap yung rep from the technical team. And then, nung sinabi ko na walang dial tone yung telephone namin, biglang sabi niya, ita-transfer niya ako sa telephone department. And then, ang sabi naman sa telephone department, nakausap ko siya before 40 minutes. Imagine, guys. Ayun, that was so frustrating. Ayun lang. I don't know, but anyway, okay naman yung dalawang rep na yun. They were able to, although the resolution is not yet available for now. Yun nga lang, pansin ko lang sa mga rep sa Pilipinas, they are not so, I don't know, they don't have something like yung empathy. Kulang sa empathy. Wala lang. Tsaka ibang bagay pa, like, sinabi ko kasi last year nagkaroon ako ng same issue. Yun yung February ako nagpakabit, and then sinabi ko it's been a year. So, diba, it's technically, I celebrated my first anniversary with them. So, why not saying na, why not say this? Thank you so much for your continued patronage. You've been with us for a year. Yung mga ganong bagay man lang, diba? Buti na lang siya. So, nalobat yung camera. So, yun nga, going back to sinasabi ko kanina. Yun nga, I said na, ano man lang, hey, customer, thank you so much for your continued patronage. Although EOP na naman. Yung man naman ang sinabi na, I know na nagkaroon kayo ng problema before, but still, you continue your service with us. Thank you so much. Yung mga ganung bagay man lang, diba? And then now, we're experiencing the same thing, ganun. Although, masyado kasing, alam mo yung atat na atat sa resolution. Ay, grabe naman, labas ang pagiging QA ko. Wala na. So, well, anyway, so, actually, yung pang na fifth pa. So, yung fifth video ko kasi is not yet polished. Kasi, I need pictures from Jomar. Kasi, nung Friday, nung last day ko kasi, yung Friday shift yun eh. So, we had a photo shoot nung second break namin. But up to now, I have not received yung mga photos na yun from Jomar. So, all day long, he has not responded sa mga text ko tsaka sa call ko. So, yun lang. I think I'm gonna anong tawag doon? I-merge ko na lang yung vlog ko for today and for tomorrow. So, for Saturday kasi, technically naman kasi, di ba, parang kahapon hanggang gabi. So, yun lang. Nagkaroon ako ng interaction for that Friday shift. So, medyo nakakapagod din pala. Okay naman, kaya. Yun nga lang kaninang nagising ko, parang gusto ko lang yung time off. kaya hindi rin siguro ako nag-vlog. Okay, so see you tomorrow.
Please be advised that your repair request number 8945655 is part of a major cable trouble affecting several subscribers in your area. Rest assured, our restoration teams are doing their utmost to get your services up and running normally as quickly as possible. To repeat this message, press 1. To end this call, press the pound sign or simply hang up.
So finally, meron na kami internet and yung Facebook ko nag-update na siya. So may mga bagong na ako, news feeds.